This is. I wonder what this is. Whatever it is, it's nice. This mug is extremely nice. Got a vent there. This is at Classic Cars, A&E Classic Cars in Texas, San Antonio, Texas. 44,000 right here. 327 Camaro. We got the Z28. Oh man, y'all gotta check it out. We got cars all around. Look at the interior on this. I gotta catch this, y'all, cause this is the meaning of a classic car. Having it completely restored. This mug is nice. This mug is nice. This mug is extremely nice. Oh man. And see, it's not, and that's the other thing, y'all. It's still imperfections on there, like right there on the bumper. But altogether, this car is great. Look. That's a spider on it? The interior on this bad boy. Custom cab. You got the guy standing right there. Now this mug.
That bitch is loud.
Talking about, look at the back of the bed. Oh man. Yui.
That's a big body.
Big body. This is the definition of a big body.
Like they would drive back in the day.
It looked like, oh, it's a convertible. Yeah, it is a convertible. Wow. Look at the Mach 1. This mug here, you can't sleep on it. I'm not gonna sleep on it, y'all. Camaro SS. Bad. 42,000 for this bad boy right here. And you got the Firebird. Now that Firebird, this is probably my favorite one so far, babe. I don't even know. It's hard. Tell me what y'all think is the best one. This Firebird right here is clean. 39,000. Oh, look at the paint job on it. Interior in good shape. Carpet is in good shape. Got the El Camino. Huh? Here I come. 32,000. See, it's crazy. I'd rather buy one of these than a newer model Charger. Damn, this mug's small. Check it out. That's crazy. It sit low to the ground. Say bad boy on the side. Dual exhaust. But yeah, check it out. 32,900, 350 in it. 1972. Pretty good condition. So I would say, in order for my car to be Um, at this point, see, it got a little dent in the thing down there. I would probably just have to get a good paint job.
That's dope. I did lift it.
Yeah. Nah, this is the second one. Oh. I mean, it's too many, y'all. I'm trying to catch them. I'd rather buy one of these than the new model car, babe. This mug nasty. Now this mug look extremely nasty. $36.9 for this. This look like a Nova. Is that what they say on the sticker?
Yeah.
Nova. Yeah. Real classic cars. You gonna spend your money on anything? Look at this. Man, this is crazy. To see these many nice cars for sale in one spot. This one right here, crazy. Man, if you had to pick between one of them, which one would you?
That's too fucking nice. I might buy four already. I'm like,
69. I knew this one was gonna be a lot. 70,000 for the Chevy. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's Ford beautiful too. I'll take the Chevy though. Check out the back on that. Oh, I thought that was a sunroof. I was gonna say, what? They put a sunroof in this mug. Babe, check this one out. Oh my God. I want it. I want it. That looked like something more than that. Ain't no 350. Definitely not no 350. Oh man. I want this truck, y'all. This truck is clean. Interior alright. But the outside of it, with these tires, this setup, couldn't get no better than that, man. Couldn't get no better than that. I know this mug, this setup clean. Now this color setup right here is amazing. This dark cherry red with the gray top, gray bottom. Let's not forget the Bel Air, y'all. We gotta pay our respect to the Bel Air. Interior clean, ain't even got a fingerprint on it. That's what I'm talking about, man. It's make me want to go home and clean my car up. Look at the engine bay. Yeah, babe, here I come. Study a little bit the engine bay, y'all. This motherfucker say not for sale. Damn.
you see to do.
Look at that, man. That's work right there. That's skill. I bet you this truck can go at least. This mother probably got at least a. Look at the wheel on the back of it. This mother probably at least got 1,000 horsepower.
I like this.
That's crazy.
But
Mustang official. Man, I think if I had to pick from something, It would be one of them ones I saw over there on the left side. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Got another there. It's the only modern day car they got in here, y'all. This must be a collector's item, I would assume. It got buttons in here like it got nitro and shit. Motherfucker like a jet. Damn, them tires nice too, I ain't gonna lie. The exhaust change colors. Got the carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber spoiler, everything a matte gray color. You got Lexus in here too, a F Sport. You got the collectors, the toys too, y'all. Bet you them mugs are expensive. Man, I wish I would've. I actually had one that was like, I want to say it was like that, y'all, but it was a canteen. That's what that is, Jimby. I bet you they're gonna be blown away when they know I know what I'm talking about. What? A tow hitch? Yeah. I just noticed I had one of those cars before on the wall. The one, the Jim Beam one. Is that the one that's actually a bottle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that one. I had got it at a garage sale.
Really?
A guy had a bunch of them, and I'm trying to think what I did with them, and I don't remember what I did with them. But I had one like that, and I think I had the gray one, the little box truck one.
I bought a guy had this collection, and came here one day, wanted to sell them. I bought all those at one time.
Really?
And they're actually Jim. Some of them still got Jim Beam in them.
Yeah, mine did. Still had it on the side. Yeah, that's why I was looking. I was like, I had one like this, and then it had a bottle. You take the little back off, and then it got a little. Yep. Man, that's crazy. I just had a flashback. I do not know what I did when it probably got lost in storage somewhere. But yeah, that's cool. So is that the whole collection that they did?
Yeah, he did them somewhere.
Wow. Yeah, I think when I last this was years ago. I would say they probably was maybe.
Some of them was 20, 30 years old.
Yeah.
Can you imagine trying to drink that whiskey?
Oh,
Can
man.
you imagine some alcoholic coming in there? He's toasted.
Man, exactly. That's exactly what'll happen. That's cool. Huh? What happened, man? Wow. How much this one? 119,000. I knew it was some reason why my eyes just gravitated to this side. Now this one might be just as expensive. Check out the interior, y'all. All red interior on the top. Carpet's gray. Got chrome on the trims. This will make a classic car, man. This will make a classic car. Now this mug here. Oh God. I gotta get out of here. We gotta go, babe. I can't be in here no longer. These cars is extremely too nice. I love to just come here and wash the car. Shit, just let me drive it to the back and wash it. Man, you know what? I ain't even check this Corvette out. That Corvette clean. But I think my favorite out of all of them, I'm going to just go ahead and say this right here. I'm going to have to go ahead and say this. It's either this. Is it clean? Nah, I'm going to have to go back with that one.
I like the black one, but...
You like this one the most?
Yeah, but then I like that truck over there.
See, it's either between, if I had to pick two, I'll pick one of them SS's. I don't care which one it is. Actually, I think I'll take that blue and white one. Right there, y'all see. I'll take that blue and white one. And I'll take that money green one right there. That SS right there. Definitely. Nah. But if I had to pick a truck though.
You get a car and a truck.
If I had to pick a car and a truck, I would probably pick that short bit, that Chevy. I'll pick that Chevy. I'll pick that red Chevy just back there. And see you later, folks. I'll pick that red Chevy. And I'll pick that Chevelle. That black and red Chevelle that was 100. Both of them. I want both of them. That's 200,000 right there. Most expensive cars in the place. I want them. Dang, man. Alright, y'all. This is like I said, it's AE Classic Cars, located in, I believe this is Shirts. But if you come to San Antonio, Texas, it's about 30 minutes outside of San Antonio. Alright.